Hi everyone, well welcome to day 2 of our masterclass. So today I'm going to be teaching a party makeup glam look. So stay tuned to watch the whole video.
So generally 3 to 4 things मैं अपने mind में already prepare करके रखती हूँ client से क्या पूछना है. Number 1, do they wear nude lipsticks or do they wear dark lipsticks like maroon reds? उससे मुझे थोड़ा उनका taste सर्च हो जाता है and then I kind of know which lip shade to go with. And today everybody knows which lip shades they like. Like I am a person generally I prefer nudes only. So generally the clients know उनको क्या lip shades पसंद आते हैं. Secondly, would they prefer light lashes or heavy lashes? ठीक है. Thirdly, you ask your clients if they want to wear contact lenses or not. And fourth question जो इंडिया में सबसे पूछना चाहिए is that do they want the same tone of foundation or do they want to like a lot darker? ठीक है. So that is something that you can ask client because बाद में you don't want the client saying कि मैं बहुत dark लग रही हूँ या मैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा white करती हूँ मुझे चिट्टा लग रहा है. You know these things that people in India can question very easily. So this is where I ask the clients कि do you want the same tone of foundation or do you want to go fairer or lighter? ठीक है. This is another thing that you can ask if you like glitters or not glitters. Some clients will say I love glitters. Some will say only shimmer. मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए, वो shimmer चलेगा. And some will say कि बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे matte look चाहिए. So these are certain things clients will generally tell you also. So since it's a glam party makeup, I will go into a little bit of shimmers, not glitters. मैं glitters इसलिए नहीं करूँ because if you see her outfit is already very glittery. ठीक है. If I do again glitter on the eyes, it might become too much glitter. ठीक है. अभी she's not wearing a cape, which is also glitter. ठीक है. तो इसके ऊपर भी cape आ रहा है. This is also very heavy glitter type stuff. ठीक है. So keeping in mind काम को मुझे balance करना है. Remember one thing, आपको हर चीज बैलेंस होनी चाहिए. Just because you're a makeup artist, don't go for your makeup. And don't go everything possible out there. जो आपने सीखा है, don't go everything out there. Smoky eye भी कर दिया, glittering भी कर दिया, wing line भी कर दिया, red lips भी लगा दिया, contour भी कर दी. Like just don't do everything. Think about it. Nice one. As you can see, this is 1 to 2 tone lighter than her skin tone. Brushes or mention the brushes. You should memorize. No, I use this for powder setting also. Yeah. Number 1 is I highly recommend Tartiest Pro Remix palette. This is from the brand Tarte. He loves it. Wedding Wish XL palette. So LA Caramel by Benefit Company. Yeah, the company is Benefit. The palette name is Ofra and it's called Glow Up. It's an American brand. Yeah, Glow Up. Yeah, it's available here, but it's an American brand. So there are all skin type clay highlighters in this palette. That is the best part about this. Yeah. So I like to use a little bit of this tone. Okay. So start a little bit on the nose. Okay. Correct. So basically अब हम कहीं से खरीद नहीं सकते. Right.
मुझे तो मैं नाम से जरूर पूछूंगी कि ऐसी पहले कैसे बनती है.
On the brush,
Fenty
Beauty Heat Glow. I am using Forever 52 mascara. This is Forever 52 XL. सामने देखना शीशे में. देखना.
I think it was amazing. It was flawless, easy, bright.
Easy?
Easy. Okay. I think it was flawless, easy. No, for her, the way she taught it, I don't think there was any confusion or stuff. We were able to ask questions, of course, for all the way on the top. Yeah, I don't think I have any confusion.
अभी तो इट्स लाइक ब्रशेस की नेम याद करनी पड़ेगी घर जाके. सारी चीजें थी जो मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं आज तक इतने सालों से गलत करती आ रही थी.
So I am done with day 2 and this was the look I created. Technically देखा जाए तो वो आज first look की थी इस course की, but I had such an amazing time and the look was quite easy. We didn't use any foundation in this look and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and शेयर करना मत भूलना अपने दोस्तों के साथ.